Hello, everyone. Welcome to a very special episode of our podcast. My name is Max.
And I am Sarah. We are so happy you are listening to us today. Today's topic is how to master Deutsch in an easy and fun way.
That's right, Sarah. But before we start, we have a small request. If you like our energy, please subscribe to our channel, Deutsch Vibe.
Yes, on Deutsch Vibe, we share everything you need to speak German with confidence. So hit that subscribe button now.
Okay, Sarah, let's start with the big question. Why do many people think German is a scary language?
I think it's the long words, Max. Words like Handschuhe, which means gloves. But if you look at it, it's just hand and shoes. Shoes for your hands. It's actually very funny and logical.
Exactly. German is like building with Lego. You take two small words, put them together, and you have a new word. Mastering Deutsch is about understanding these small parts.
I remember when I first started. I was so confused by der, die, das. I thought I would never learn them. What is your secret for our listeners on Deutsch Vibe?
My secret is don't study grammar rules for hours. Instead, use colors. For der, masculine, use blue. For die, feminine, use red. For das, neuter, use green. When you see a word in your mind, see the color too.
That's a great tip. I also tell my friends to listen more. I started listening to German radio while I was cooking. At first, I didn't understand anything, but after 1 month, I started hearing words I knew.
This is called passive listening. It's very important. Your brain needs to hear the music of the language. Sarah, what about speaking? Many people are shy.
Oh, I was very shy. I used to talk to my cat in German. My cat didn't care if I made a mistake.
That's actually a very good way to practice. Talk to your pet or talk to yourself in the mirror. Say, Ich trinke jetzt einen Kaffee. I am drinking a coffee now. Just describe your day in simple sentences.
And don't forget the vibe. On our channel Deutsch Vibe, we always say, don't be a robot. Use your emotions. German people love it when you try to speak their language, even if it's not perfect.
That is so true. If you go to a bakery in Berlin and say, Ein Brot bitte, the baker will be very happy. You don't need a perfect accent to be understood.
Max, what about apps? Do you think they are enough to master the language?
Apps are good for 5 minutes a day, but they are not enough. You need to live the language. Change your phone language to German. It will be hard for 2 days, but then you will learn words like Einstellungen, settings, and Nachrichten, messages, without even trying.
That's a pro tip. I did that and I felt like a genius. Also, I want to tell our listeners, don't compare yourself to others. Everyone learns at a different speed.
Yes, stay in your own lane. If you learn 5 new words a day, that's 150 words a month. That is amazing progress.
We also have many videos on Deutsch Vibe that show you how to use these words in real life, like how to order food or how to ask for directions.
Speaking of directions, German can be very direct. Sometimes people think Germans are angry, but they are just being clear.
Yes, I learned that alles klar can mean okay, I understand, or how are you? It's a magic phrase.
It is. Alles klar is the most important phrase in Germany. Let's practice some simple phrases for our listeners. Sarah, how do you say, I am learning German?
Ich lerne Deutsch.
And it is fun.
Es macht Spaß.
Perfect. If you say these 2 sentences every morning, you will stay motivated.
We are almost at the end of our talk today. Max, any last words for our Deutsch Vibe family?
Yes, don't give up. Some days will be hard, and some days will be easy. Just keep going.
And remember to subscribe to Deutsch Vibe to stay connected with us. We have so much more to share with you.
Thank you for spending these 20 minutes with us. It was a pleasure.
See you in the next episode. Happy learning.
Tschüss. Bye-bye.
Auf Wiedersehen.